Okay, so I'll put on my mask so that you could possibly see me. Remember, your attendance form is here. You can click on modules. Alright, and this is my information modules. So tomorrow to meet, you will go to the third period link right there and click on there at 10 o'clock and we'll meet there. Alright, and then we'll go back. We'll go to modules. For last week, you just look under these different days that you have things. So Friday we did do a quiz. You would need to go in there, and I'll walk you through that tomorrow. There's some videos here, and we were going to do some class practice, but we did not get to that, so you don't have to do number 4. Go back to modules. On Thursday, we've got different videos, no solution, one solution, your attendance form, your discussion board, your warm-up, lesson notes. We ended up not having to do lesson notes. I'll look and see if I just didn't link them. Your Delta Math, your absolute value, lesson 3, and then your exit ticket. Then you'll go back to modules. So that's where you can find all your information and your assignments on Wednesday, but I believe you were here on Wednesday. Again, just some information that I put on there, making sure that you're understood. Finishing your Delta Math assignment. Make sure you check your announcements because I have put videos in your announcements. So today we went over interval notation. Check out that video, please. And then there's also a video on the 30th. So those are the areas that you can find your videos and your stuff. But all your assignments are under modules, and you can upload them to the internet, or you can just, I'll look them up on Canvas, okay? So for the quiz thing, I'll show you how to get to Ednia tomorrow when we meet at 10. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.